Hi dear students. So exercise number 1.2 ನಲ್ಲಿ question number 9 ನೋಡೋಣ. So if the third term and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? So students, here they are given third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8. They are asking the which term is 0. Okay, so for example ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಏಯ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ನೈನ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನೈನ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 9. ನೈನ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ -8 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 0 ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಿ A3 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A3 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A9 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು -8. ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. AN ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು A ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ AN? AN ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಇದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ. A3 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು A ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A3? A3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ 4 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು A ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಈಸ್ 2D. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. A9 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? -8 is equals to A plus 8D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಬೈ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2 ಅಥವಾ subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ equation number 2 is -8 is equals to A plus 8D. ಸೊ what is equation number 1? 4 is equals to A plus 2D. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ A ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. -4 and -8 is -12. 8 minus 2 is 6D. So -12 is divided by 6 is equals to D. So 6 1 ja 6 2 ja D is equals to -2. So students, we got the value of common difference is D is equals to 2. Now you have to calculate the value of first term, that is, so how to get this first term? Just you put the D value into the equation number 1 or equation number 2. Okay, so now I will take equation number 1 is 4A plus 2D. What is the value of D? D is -2. So 4 is equals to A plus 2 into -2. So 4 is equals to A plus, so this will becomes -4. So I will take this -4 into left hand side. 4 plus 4 is equals to A. So A is equals to 8. So students, now we got the value of first term. Okay, so what is the first term? First term is 8. So student, here you can observe this series. So first term is 8, common difference is so minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. So student, they are asking the 0, which term of AP is 0. See, fifth term is 0. Okay. So we have to calculate by using the equation 0 is the fifth term. Okay. So that is, you know the formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 0. Okay. A is first term, that is 8. We have to calculate the value of n. D is minus 2. 0 is equals to 8. I will multiply this bracket into the n minus 1, that is minus 2 into n minus 1. So minus 2n plus 2. So I will take this, I will keep it minus 2n here. I will take down all the values into left hand side, that is 0. So minus 8 minus 2 is equals to minus 2n. So this will becomes minus 10 is equals to minus 2n. So minus minus cancel each other. 10 divided by 2 is equals to n. So 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So n is equals to 5. So student, we have at the fifth place we have a 0. Okay. The question is, which term of AP is 0. Okay. So this 0 value will be placed at fifth position. Fifth position we have a 0 value. Okay. So this is the answer, that is this one. So exercise number 10, the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So students, here they are asking the common difference, D value you have to calculate. The question is given. First you read out the question very carefully, so we can understand how to write these equations. Okay. So first is 17 term of the AP. Okay. So I will write it, 17 term is A17. Okay. So next he was given it AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So 10 17 is equals to A 10 plus 7, because it is exceeds by 7, that is A10 is exceeds by 7. So using this equation we can solve the common difference value. So student, first you write down here A17 is equals to, what is A17? A17 is, you know the formula, An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. A plus n is 17 minus 1 into D, that is A17 is equals to A plus 16D. Okay. So now similarly, what is A10? A10 I can directly write A plus 9D. Okay. Now I will keep this value into this equation. Okay. So now I will write on A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Okay. So what is A17? A17 is the A plus 16D is equals to, what is A10? A10 is A plus 9D plus 7. Okay. So just you simplify this equation. So this A cancel each other. So remaining is 16D is equals to 9D plus 7. So I will take down this 9D into left hand side, that is 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. 16 minus 9 is 7D is equals to 7. So d is equals to 7 by 7. So the 7 cancel each other. So d is equals to 1. So student, the common difference is 1. So this is the easiest way to calculate this question number 10. Okay. So we have a different method also, you can use it that one also. Okay. So this is the best method to solve the equations. So first you have to understand the concept given in the question. Hi students. So 11th question is, which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 dash 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 will be 132 more than its 54th term. So this is the question, very interesting question is given here. So first you understand the concept of, okay. So concept is the AP is given, series is given, which term of the AP dash 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 will be 132 more than 54. So here they are asking 54th term will be more than 132. Okay. So we have to calculate the value of n. Okay. So here first we have to calculate the value of A54 plus add the 132. Next we have to calculate the value of this question mark, that is n value. Okay. So student, here first you take down the first term is given, that is 3. So common difference d is A2 minus A1. This is equals to 15 minus 3 is equals to 12. Now you know the formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? An we have to calculate the value of A54. So what is the first term? First term is 3, n value is 54 minus 1, d is 12. A54 is equals to 3 plus 53 into 12. A54 is equals to 3 plus 53 into 12 is 636. A54 is equals to 639. So students, we got the value of A54th value is 639. So student, now we got the value of this one, you add up the 132. Okay. A54 is equals to 639 plus 132, value is 771. So now we have to calculate the value of nth value of 771. So how to calculate this one? So we know the formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So what is an? An is 771 is equals to, first term is 3, we have to calculate the value of n minus 1 into d is 12. Now you simplify this equation, 771 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 12. 771 minus 3 is 768 is equals to n minus 1 into 12. So students, now I will take this 12 into left hand side, 768 divided by 12 is equals to n minus 1. So your answer becomes 64. So 64 is equals to n minus 1. 64 plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 65. So student, now we got the value of n value, that is A65 is equals to 771. So now you can clarify that. You can write down one word, that is, therefore 65th term was 132 more than 54th term. Okay, or else you can directly write 64th term is 771. Okay, so this is the answer. So now we will take question number 12. Here two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? So students, this is the very interesting question we have to understand first. So here what is given in the data? We have two APs. Okay, first you write down the let solution. Let we have first AP. First AP I will take A1 comma A2 comma A3 dash 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 dash. Okay, this is AN. Similarly, second AP I will take B1 B2 B3 dash dash dash. This is BN. This is second AP. Okay, so student, here in the first AP, first term is A1, second AP, first term is B1. Okay, the difference between their 100 term is 100. See student, both the difference between first AP and second AP of 100 terms is 100. Okay, so I will write, that is, A 100 terms minus B 100 terms, the common difference is 100. Okay, so what will be the A 1000 terms minus B 1000 terms? So this is your question. We have to find out what is the difference between their 1000 terms. We have to calculate this question mark. Okay, so first we can solve this above equation. Put the value as per the formula, that is A plus, that is, n is 100 minus 1 into D into the bracket minus B is B plus 100 minus 1 into D. Okay, that is A plus 99D minus, so this will becomes B minus 99D. So student, this will cancel each other. A minus B is equals to, so this is equals to 100 is given, this is equals to 100 is given. Okay, so 100. Now we have to calculate the value for the 1000. Okay, so I will write down, that is A 1000 minus B 1000 is equal to what? Okay, so that is, see student, I will take this is equation number 1. Okay, what is 1000 here? 1000 is A plus 1000 minus 1 into D bracket minus B 1000 is B plus 1000 minus 1 is equals to, so student, here A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. If you solve this bracket, now this plus and minus 999D will cancel each other. The remaining is A minus B. See student, already we know from equation number 1, what is that? A minus b, that is a minus b is 100. So here also a minus b is equals to 100 we will get. So because both the APs have the same common difference. Is it clear? Now students, the question number 13. How many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7? So this is the very short question is given. So it is a very easy, students, if you understand the question. So first you understand what is the 3 digit numbers that is divisible by 7. Okay. So as you know that your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the single digit numbers. So now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. These are the 2 digit numbers. So now what is the 3 digit numbers is 101, 102, 103, 104. These are the 3 digit numbers. Okay. 101 divided by 7 will get some fraction values. Okay, that is 31. So 4 ja, and you will have to take some carries. So students, here 105 divisible by 7 will be, so 7 1 ja, so 3 will be carry, 7 5 ja, so 15. So here 105 will be the first number of your AP. So that is nothing but your 7 is the common difference. Okay, you add up 105 plus 7, you will get the value is 112. So you add up again 7, you will get next number is 119. So similarly you go on adding the 777 up to last 3 digit number is 999. Okay, is it divisible by 7? So maximum possible 3 digit number is 999. Is it right? When we divide by 7, the remainder will be a 5. Okay. So student, here 999 minus 5 is equals to 994. So student, your maximum possible number in the 3 digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. Okay. So student, this is your AP series. Now we have to calculate the value of, so how many terms present in this AP from 105 to 994. So you know the formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we have to calculate the how many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7, that is we have to calculate the value of N here. Okay. So maximum number of divisible by 7 is, that is 994, that is 994. So this is the AN value, and already given the first term is 105 and common difference is 7. Okay. We know the given data here. So just you put in the equations, that is 994 is equals to, first term is 105. So we have to calculate the value of N. So D is 7. So 994. So here plus minus 105 is equals to N minus 1 into 7. So it will becomes 889 is equals to N minus 1 into 7. So 889 divided by 7 is equals to N minus 1. You divide this one the answer will be 127. So 127 is equals to n minus 1. 127 plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 128. So students, here in this series we have a total number of terms is 128. So therefore we can write down, so 128 3 so this is the answer. So students, any confusion you can do message in a comment box, I will reply. So question number 14, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So student, first you understand this question, numbers from 10 to 250. So for example, series will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 90, 20 up to 250. In this numbers, how many multiples of 4? Okay, multiples of 4 is, so 10 is not multiple of 4, 11 is not multiple of 4, 12 is multiple of 4. Okay, so next term is 16 is multiple of 4. So next is 20 is the multiple of 4. Similarly, is it 250 is multiple of 4? So when you divide 250 by 4, the remainder will be 2. Okay, so that is 250 minus 2, that is 248 will be the multiple of 4. So student, this series will be, first multiple of 4 is, first digit is, first term is 12, second term is 16, third term is 20 dash 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 up to 248. So student, here we have to find out the value, how many numbers in this series from 12 to 248. We have to calculate it first. Solution. So you know the formula, a n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So given data is, first term is 12, we got common difference is 4 and a n is equals to 248. You put into the equation, 248 is equals to 12 plus, we have to find the value of n, n minus 1 into d is 4. You simplify this equation, 248 minus 12 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12 is 236 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 236 divided by 4 is equals to n minus 1. Divide this equation, so 59 is equals to n minus 1. 59 plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 60. So students, here therefore there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 to 250.